In this video, I'm going to share with you a secret that I use to turn $5 into $250. I'm using Fiverr service brokering to turn $5 into $250 every single day of the week. And if you're not sure what it is, let me tell you what it's all about. Because it's so easy to make money from the Fiverr service gigs. Alright, so I'm going to take a $5 gig from Fiverr and I'm going to use it to service my customers. And you can do the same for your customers as well. So this is just a type of outsourcing, and it's known as service brokering. And let me explain a little bit about what it is, okay? It's because it's another great online business model. This is something that you can do from home, and it's completely online. You can do it while you're on vacation. You can do it from anywhere. As long as you've got internet service, you can do this, and it's really easy to do. So use Fiverr to outsource your tasks. Take a look here. Here's a listing posted in the Los Angeles Craigslist, and it's for someone that needs a logo design. Okay, if we take a look at the details, I need a graphic designer that can make me a logo for a client. I make websites. I need 3 options, and the pay is $250. Okay, so this individual, he's like probably a web designer, and he's got an existing client, but either he doesn't have the time to make a logo, or maybe that's not his strong suit. So he's looking for someone that can provide a logo for him, and the pay is $250. So this is a great opportunity. So if you search Craigslist, you'll find lots of ads like this where people need logos designed and they're willing to pay money. Okay, and the pay is different. It varies. Some could be as low as $50. Some may be, I've seen $1,000. But this is a great place to get clients. Finding a logo designer on Fiverr.com is actually pretty simple. And let me walk you through the steps real quick here. Okay, so you'll notice at the top menu bar, you've got some categories listed, some of the main categories. And what we're going to do is go to the graphics and design, and you'll get a little pop-up, and you see a subcategory that says logo design. So go ahead and click there. And that'll take you to a page that has all of the individuals that are offering logo design as one of their gigs. And Fiverr actually makes it pretty simple for you. And what I like to do is always specify the highest rated. Okay, so that's here. You could also do new if you want to see who's some of the new logo designers, some of the recommended ones. But we always like to use the highest ratings. So these are logo designers that have received the highest rating from their customers, and so that's kind of what you want to look for is these recommendations. You can also specify different styles and types and formats. You'll see some pull down menu bars here. So maybe there's you're looking for a specific type of logo. Maybe it's text and a symbol. Maybe it's just a symbol. Maybe it's just text. You can specify style, modern, corporate, 3D, retro, anything like that. File format, you may need a certain file format, whether it's JPEG or PNG, portable network graphics, PDF version, a GIF, anything like that you can specify. And you can also look and specify delivery time. So if you've got some time, constraint, maybe you need it within 2 days. So these are the logo designers that can do it within 2 days. Maybe you've got 2 weeks to spend. So now you can say, anything that's 2 weeks or less, or you can say any delivery time, and so you'll get the largest search there. But so from here you can take a look at the different gigs that are provided by these designers, and if you wanted to, you can also take a look at their portfolio. Just click on any one of them, and typically what they'll have is their portfolio as part of their web page. Okay, so here's I will design professional logo for $5. And you can see their portfolio here. We can actually click through it, and we can see some of the logos they've done in the past. So you get a sense of their artistic style, what they specialize in, and get a good feel for if you think that this will be someone that can actually meet your needs. So that's a quick look on how to find a logo designer on Fiverr.com. Alright, so let me explain how all of this works. So I started off by identifying clients in Craigslist. So I searched the Craigslist and I found companies that needed help with a logo. So now I have a need that needed to be fulfilled. And so how did I do that? How did I fulfill it? Well, I went to Fiverr and I checked the listings in Fiverr for logo designers. And I screened them and I found ones that could do the work. And once I found them, I paid them $5. And then they turned around and they built the logo for me and they sent me the logo. And now that I have it, I act as the middleman and send that to my customer over on Craigslist. And then they end up paying me the $250. So you can see in a nutshell how it works. This is my secret for reselling Fiverr gigs to make money. I call this Fiverr service brokering. It's actually pretty simple for me to do. I spend a little bit of time looking for clients, then I find services on Fiverr and I get them fulfilled. Before I continue, I've got a quick message for you. Hey, so I got a quick legal disclaimer here. The content that I'm sharing with you should not be construed as financial or legal advice. What I'm giving you is strictly for educational purposes only. So if you need to, please consult with a qualified professional regarding your specific situation. Now that I've got that out of the way, we can now continue. So if you wanted to do what I do, here's what you do. First, join Fiverr. It's completely free, and it really only takes a few minutes to register. Then, do the steps that I performed in this video for yourself. Step 1, find people that need help. I went to Craigslist. I found people that needed service or a product. Next, I located a gig on Fiverr that met the need of the particular client. So that was pretty simple to do. I showed you how to screen for that. And then finally, in step 3, pay for the gig on Fiverr, receive the product or service, and then turn around and provide it to the original client. You're not going to want to miss my next video where I share more tips, tricks, hints, and secrets about how I'm able to make money working from home.